You're welcome to this profitable strategy. This strategy is going to make you some good dollars. It's going to make you some good dollars. So let's go straight to the point. How to use this strategy. Very, very profitable strategy. So before we go into how the strategy works, let me show you the settings of the strategy. So on our main chart, we have exponential moving average period 8, then color yellow, done. Next one 13, exponential color red, done. So the first indicator window we have um RSI, we have period 21 applied to this one, typical price. Then our levels are 50, 10, 70, 30, 90, and done. Then we have Bollinger Band. This is it. Period 34, deviation 1.619 applied to first. You can choose any color of your choice. I just love black. So done. The next one we have period 34. Method simple. So method is simple, moving average. Then first indicator data, apply to first indicator data, done. So the next indicator we do have our RSI. We have close. This one is close, and these are the settings. Start. So done. Then we have our Ichimoku. Look at the settings for the Ichimoku. So this place is, you set it to the background of your screen. So if your screen is black, this colors will be black. If your screen is white, use white. Then, so this is what we have on our chart. So how do we use this strategy? It's preferable you stay on your 1 hour. You stay on your 1 hour. So how do you know the direction of the market? The first thing you have to do is you go to your 4 hours. Go to your 4 hours and check the direction of the market. If you look, we are currently in an uptrend, but there's a kind of a reversal there. So we are an uptrend market. You can use this strategy to scalp on your 1 hour. Okay, to scalp, yes, you pick candles. Yeah, I'll show you how to do that. But first of all, let me show you how to use a strategy very well. How to use the strategy very well. So if you want to scalp, you just go to your 1 minute, but you have to flow with the direction of your 4 hours and your 1 hour. But I'll show you on how to let me show you on how to use a normal, how to catch normal trend, how to catch 30 pips, 40 pips a day. So you check for the direction of the market. If you look at here, currently in an uptrend market. It's an uptrend market. And now if you notice, the indicators are pointing up also. Look at the indicators are pointing up. And our this place here, the yellow line has crossed the red line. So we are in an uptrend market. So now, since we know we are in an uptrend market, what are we going to do? You will go to your 1 hour and look for entries. So if you look now, currently now, there are no entries, but we can scalp this market using the direction going down to our 15 minutes, or our 1 minute, or our 5 minutes. But that's not what I want to show you today. So now, how do you use this strategy? The strategy is very, very simple. Now, when our last Ichimoku is around this region, this 50 region below, pointing down to the 30, and our green line has crossed the yellow line, approaching the Bollinger Band. We'll wait for the yellow line to cross the red, and the candle must break above the yellow line. So if no candle breaks above the yellow line, we are not entering that market. So these conditions have to be met. So once a candle breaks the yellow line, or a candle closes above the yellow line, and the yellow line has crossed, we enter from the next candle. And then we hold the trade until we see where a candle touch the red. So this candle that touched this red line, we come out from the market. We just come out from the market. It's better to be safe. So come out from the market. That's how you use a strategy. Come out from the market. So if you want to buy, you want to sell, same thing. If you want to sell, same thing. You wait. The Ichimoku line should be around the 70 region, 70 or above the 50 region. It must be above the 50 region. This Ichimoku line must be above the 50 region for a sell market. If the Ichimoku line is around this region, don't take that trade. Don't take it. So wait for the candle to break the green line cross the red, approaching the Bollinger Band, and the candle breaks. Once the candle breaks, we enter from the next candle, we hold it. So once we see that a candle touch this red line, we come out of the market. You come out from the market. You can see. And in a choppy market, do not trade a choppy market. What do I mean by a choppy market? A choppy market is whereby the market is not giving us a direction, it's just going like this. Once you see something like this, just leave it. This strategy works on all volatility pair. So look at this one for a buy market right now. You can see the Ichimoku line is around the 30 region. The green has crossed the red line, approaching the Bollinger Band, the upper Bollinger Band. If it cross above the Bollinger Band, still good. If it did not cross but it's approaching it, still good. Then the next thing we're looking for is a confirmation from this place. So the yellow has crossed the right, and the candle must close above it. So the candle must close above it. You can wait if you want to enter this. So you enter from this place, this candle, you hold it. You enter from here. Let's say you enter from here. You hold the trade. So once you hold the trade, this candle that touched this red here will come out from the market. You come out from the market. That's how you use the strategy. The strategy is very, very simple and profitable. It's working perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. You can use it on VIX 75 also. Do not go below 1 hour. That's what I'm trying to tell you here. Do not go below 1 hour. You can see Ichimoku line around the 50 region, and green has crossed the red, approaching the 30, approaching the Bollinger Band. Then we have what? The yellow crossed the red, and the candle closes above, so we enter from the next candle. So once we enter from this candle, let's say we enter from this candle here, we hold it. We will hold the trade till we see. We'll hold the market till we see where the a candle touch the red line. Once a candle touch the red line, we come out from the market. You come out from the market. You come out from the market. So that's how you use a strategy. The strategy is very, very simple and profitable.